And now let's move on to Beto, a glucometer for your phone. Now, like I said right in the beginning, when I heard first about it, I got very, very excited that, oh, finally it's here, that absolute holy grail of all medical devices. We have a glucometer for our phone that is non-invasive. You don't have to prick it anymore. Some new technology through our sweat or through something else that actually does come to know everything about your insulin levels inside your body without a prick. Well, that hasn't happened as yet, but this one takes one step closer to that eventual holy grail. This one is still a glucometer that you need to prick, but it works completely and totally connected to your phone. How? Well, here's the story.
Technology has reached new frontiers, and we are constantly on the lookout for companies that push the envelope. This time, we have come across one company that turns your phone into a glucometer. Coronavirus has made more people mindful about their health and fitness, and it is known that COVID-19 can really have adverse effects on people with existing conditions like diabetes. Well, this is Beto that has come up with not one but two products that simply plug into your phone and can then test your blood sugar levels. More than 450 million people around the world have diabetes, with 72.9 million just in India, and 80% of diabetics are supposed to have uncontrolled blood sugar levels. It's only important to keep a tab on these levels with the fasting blood sugar test that is done after 8 to 10 hours of not eating or drinking anything. Beto makes the process of taking and monitoring your blood sugar simple. There are currently two products that Beto has, and they plan to add just one for iPhones very soon. This is the Beto Smart that can connect to your phone using the 3.5mm jack, and this is the Beto Curve that connects using the USB Type-C port. To set this up, you will have to download the Beto app and follow the instructions on the screen. Once paired with your phone, insert the port into the slot on your phone and then add the blood test strip to this end of the device. Prick your finger with the lancet and add the drop of blood to it. The app will give you the blood sugar reading immediately, and the Beto ecosystem will record your information. We connected the Beto Smart to an iPhone using the 3.5mm headphone jack converter, and we connected the Curve to an Android phone since it has a USB Type-C port. The Curve is really light to use and extremely portable. It is made in India and there are no batteries that this runs on. Packing this up in a little travel bag that it comes with is simple and extremely useful. The readings we got were pretty accurate.
Yes, using a finger stick venous glucose is going to be a much more accurate way to get the right blood sugar. But at the same time, it's not practical. So we would need a mechanism where we can do multiple checks of sugar, and really what we are focused on and what actually helps manage diabetes better is to watch the trends, to see patterns. And that is what is the most informative part.
You can enter your readings as pre-meal, post-meal, random, fasting, and can add notes too. And if you don't use one of the Beto products to measure your blood sugar, you can enter it manually as well. The Beto app ecosystem offers a lot more than keeping a tab on your sugar. There's a marketplace to buy lancets, strips, and other diabetes-based products. And there's a feature to connect with a doctor. This includes endocrinologists, cardiologists, ophthalmologists, amongst others. You can also connect with your own doctor through this app. The app gives you reminders and alerts to loved ones too. Readings can be shared through WhatsApp or by text. The Beto Curve is light on the pocket and priced at 649 rupees. It comes with the lancing device and the strips, and later the lancets and more strips can be bought right off the app. So for diabetics, pre-diabetics, or anyone who wants to keep a tab on their blood sugar, you don't need to carry along a heavy glucometer with you. Beto turns your phone into one and is extremely convenient to use.